So, are you not well on that day? What happened? Were you busy, Abdullah?
Yes, sir. I was outside.
So you were outside. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Because we didn't go ahead. Tejasvi told me that we should not go ahead because Abdullah will miss the portions that we are going to do. So, yeah, so we just recapped what we learned, whatever I have taught in the previous classes. Okay. Yeah, so let us start, right?
Yes, sir.
Let us start, guys. So what we were doing? We were doing the quadratic equation and the second exercise, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so on which question we were doing the problem? So do you guys remember this 4.1 we did? Yeah, so and I gave some homework, guys. What
Yes, sir.
happened? What happened to that homework, guys? Yeah. Yes, so
Sir,
what
I
happened?
tried, but I was not able to do.
Yeah, so you tried, but you were not okay. So this part is good that you tried. Okay, so this fifth was the question, right? Or the fourth one?
One is, fourth one was the homework.
Fourth one, sir.
Fourth one, right. And we did this first, second, and third, and did we do this fifth one?
No, sir. We didn't do the fifth one.
Okay, so let us do this fourth and fifth, and then we will do this second one. Yeah. So the idea is that we have to write in the general form, right? This was fractional form 1/8, so we just have to take the LCM, right, guys?
Yes,
We
sir.
just we just have to simplify and then find the combination. So the rule was that we have to find the combination, right? There were certain rules that we discussed. So 2x squared minus, you also tried Tejasvi, right?
Yes, sir. I got confused in the middle actually.
Okay, yeah. So trying is the important part, right? Whether you don't get the result, so yeah, so you tried. That is all I care, right? But in the exam, they will care about the end result, right? So
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
so we have to reach that point. Okay, yeah. So this is one, right? This is one. Then we have to take the LCM of 1, 1, and 8. So what would be the LCM of 1, 1, and 8? So that would be 8, right?
Yes, sir.
So 1 divided by 8 is 8, and this multiplies with 2x squared. So this we would, so this is
16x.
16x squared. And this would be 8x, and this is plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So this guy comes over there and becomes 0. So now we have the equation that we want. Right, Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah. Now, just we have to follow the rules. What are the rules that we have? A, which is 16, B is minus 18, 8, and C is 1. Right, so A into C is 16, and B is minus 18, minus 8. Okay, so we have to take the factors of 16. So this would be 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, right? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So can you guys find the combination?
8.
Huh?
2. 8.
2, 8, 8 and 2,
16.
16 and 1. What should be the combination?
No, sir. Sorry.
Yeah. Yes, yeah. So guesses are right. We have to guess. And we have to find the one guess which is correct. Yeah, Abdullah, any guess? So 8 2, we can find that this would not give -8.
Yes.
16 1, this would not give -8. Right. So what is remaining? What about this one, this one? 4 4. What about this? Can we get -8? Hmm? Yeah.
No.
No. So let me write it this way. -4 -4. Now you tell me. Can we get?
We'll get my 16, sir, right?
We'll get 16 and the addition will give -8. Right.
Yes, sir.
So this is the combination. Right.
Okay.
Right, Abdullah? Are we correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So -4. Yes, Tejasvi. Understood the part, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this would be 0. And now we have to take the common. So what is common in? So first is my turn, right, guys? This is my turn, and then this is Tejasvi and Abdullah, right? Okay. So what is common here, guys? Tejasvi, what is common here?
4x.
4x. So that would be 4x minus 1. And Abdullah, what is common here? We have to make 4x minus 1. So what is the common that we should take? Yes.
Sir, 1.
1 would give, let's take plus 1. So this would give minus 4x, right? But it is 4x here. So we need to take this minus also, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, Abdullah. So we should take -1 form. And then this would give 4x and this would be -1. Right.
Yes, sir.
So this would be 4x minus 1 and this is 4x minus 1. So this is 0. So we have two equal solutions. So 4x minus 1 equals to 0 and 4x minus 1 equals to 0. 4x equals to 1, x equals to 1 by 4. Right. Similarly, x equals to 1 by 4. Okay, guys. Any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
Yeah. So
No, sir.
yeah. So please note this down and then we'll go ahead. So again, guys, I'm bothering with this request, but if you guys have any doubt, be frank and don't keep that doubt to yourself. Okay.
Awesome.
So what I will do is that 4.3 is not in your syllabus, right? So I will jump to 4.4. And when I finish this 4.4, then I will start this first chapter. Okay. I will cover those portion first and then I will move on to the fifth chapter.
Finish,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Finish. Oh, both at the same time. Yeah. So you guys are in sync. From telekinesis, you guys you guys connected with each other and yes. So Yeah, Tejasvi, your turn, right? Your turn or Abdullah turn? Whose turn is it?
It's actually my turn, sir.
Yeah, so help me with this problem. So Abdullah will be having the word problems, right? Okay. Yeah. So this is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equals to 0. Right. So A is how much?
100x square.
100 x square or 100?
X square.
No, no, no. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So whatever is sitting beside this guy, that is A, not this
Okay,
whole, right? So 100, right?
100. Yes, sir.
So you just previously, you just told me all those A, B, C, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So B is how much? Minus 2, right?
Minus 20.
C is 1.
1.
Now we have to find A into C. So A into C is 100 and B is minus 20. So hundreds factorization will give us, so this is 50, this is 25, this is 5, and this is 5. So this is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So what should be the combination, teachers? What should be the combination? We have to get minus 20, right?
Yes, sir.
So I have found the combination. Abdullah, did you find that? Yeah, Tejasvi, tell me.
Sir, 5 into 2.
2 into 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is not the
No,
factor,
sir.
right?
5 into 2.
5,
He told.
5 into 2 into 2.
5 into 2.
5 into 2 into 2.
5 into 2 into 2. So 5 into 2 into 2 is 20 and then 5. This is the combination that you are telling. Huh?
Sir, no, sir. 2 into 2, 4 and 5 into 4 equal to 20.
Okay, so 2 into 2, 4. So 4 and 5 into 5, 25. Yeah, any guess that you are suggesting? Yeah, so Tejasvi, did you find that?
Mm.
Yeah, just try different combinations, right? What you can do is that you can write all those. So first, let's say this is 2 into this is 50, right? The other one is as Abdullah told, 4 into 25, or let's say 5 into 20. And then you have what? Then you have, let's say, 10 into 10. And then you have, do you have any other combination? So, right, so you don't have.
Sir,
Okay,
we'll
Yes.
use 10 to 10.
yes,
10.
yeah,
Yes.
yes, boss. So both of you guys found the combination, right? So minus 10 and minus 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So correct, guys. So we have to just try all those different combination and then ultimately we will find that. Yeah. So this is 100x square minus 10x minus 10x plus 1. Okay. So 10x is the common. So this is 10x minus 1 and then again minus 1, 10x minus 1. So this is 10x minus 1 and 10x minus 1 equals to 0. So this would be again the equal values. 10x minus 1 equals to 0, 10x minus 1 equals to 0. So this would give us 10x equals to 1, so x equals to 1 by 10. And then you have x equals to 1 by 10 again. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so please note down this part and then Abdullah will help me with the next question.
Sir, done.
Done. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So little bit of time difference this time, guys. Yes, so in this next question, it is saying that we have to go back and do the question that we did not do earlier. So this is the next question. So in this problem, they are saying that solve the problems given in example one. So we have to go back in example one and solve those questions. Where is this example one? Yeah. So this is already here. So we should. Yeah. So I should not take more time and then just start. Right. Okay. So we will erase this later. This will take the whole time. Right. So this is the example one, and we have to do this these two problems. Right. So Abdullah turn, then my turn, and then the third question would be Tejaswi turn.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Abdullah, this is a word problem, and there are two names. Two names meaning how many unknowns?
Sir, two.
Two unknowns. Right. We have two unknowns, and what are those? So John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Right. So what are the two unknowns? One is,
Sir.
yeah. So one is John's marbles. Right. So let's say this is X. And we have Jivanti, right? So let's say Jivanti has this much of marbles. Right. These are the two unknowns.
Yes, sir.
So together they have 45 marbles. So what does this signify? Right. So what does it? So this information, what does it say? Right.
That
Sir, x plus y equal to 25.
Yes, yes, absolutely correct. Good. Good, Abdullah. Yes. So 45. Right. So this is the first information. And what is this case second? So both of them lost 5 marbles. So after losing 5 marbles, right? So how many John has?
X minus
X minus 5, right? And how many Jivanti has?
5 minus.
Hmm?
Five.
Abdullah?
Y minus
Y minus 5, right? So now in the next part of the question, it is telling that the product of the number of marbles they now have. So in this case, they are saying that product is how much?
124.
124. Oh, so this is Tejasvi, this is Abdullah turn, right? You are so excited that okay, yeah. So and what is this product, Abdullah, from this part?
sorry, sir.
So this product is 124, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is John's new marbles and Jivanti new marbles is the product, right? So what would that be?
Sir, x minus 5 into y minus 5 equal to 134.
Yes, yes, boss. Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. Yeah. So you are using your 100% of your brain today, Abdullah. What have you eaten today? Huh? Your mind is working very sharp. Yeah. So this would be the relation, right? Yeah. So this is this, and we know that we have to take care of this guy, right?
Yes, sir.
So from equation 1, we can find the value of y. So what would be the value of y, Abdullah?
Sir, 12y.
No, no, just look at here. Look at here, and we
Yes, sir,
have to, yeah, y would be how much?
y equal to 45x. So,
Yeah,
45 minus x.
yes, 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 Abdullah, yes, correct. Yeah, so this is the value of y. And now we will put the value of y from here in here. Okay, so let me write it here. So putting the value, let's say this is 2. So putting the value of y from 2 in, let's say this is third one. Right, so this would be x minus 5, and this is 45 minus x minus 5, and this is 124. Right, so
Yes, sir.
x minus 5, and this is 45 minus 5 is 40, right?
Sir, 45. Sir, 40. Sorry.
Right, yeah, 40. So then this multiplied with this, and this multiplied with this. Right, so x 40 minus x and 5 40 minus x. Is this correct, Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
So this is 40x and this is minus x square. This is 120. This is 200 and this is 5x and this is 120. Right.
Yes, sir.
So 40x plus 5x. So this is 45x minus x square minus 200 equals to 124. So let us take all these guys in the right hand side. So that would be x square plus 200, or let's say minus 45, and then plus 200, and then plus 124. Right? Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So x square minus 45x and plus 324 equals to 0. Right. So A is how much, Abdullah?
Sir, x square or 1.
No, no, no. Yeah, the guy is sitting beside x square, not the x square. So A1. B is how much?
45.
Minus or plus?
Minus.
Right.
Sir,
And
minus
yeah, and C is 324.
324.
Yeah. So what would be A into C?
Sir, 324.
Right. So we have to find the factor of this 324. So 324 is, this is how much? And this is 1. This is 27. Right. And then this is how much? 9. And this is 3. So this is the factor. And we have to find minus 45. So let us look what would be. Okay, so what would be the two combinations, Abdullah? This is a huge factor. Just try to find out what would be the factor. Yeah, so did you find the combination?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so let us try. Let's say 1 is 2 into 162, right? So is that, so this is not the case, right? The other one is how much? Let's say 4 into 81, right? So this is again not the case. And then we have this 12 and then 27, right? So is this the correct one? This is not, right? And then we have, so we have how much? Then we have this
So 36 into
36 into 9, right? Is this the one?
no, sir.
Just check. Now tell me, is this the one?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the one. Okay. So x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 320. Right. So this would be x minus 36. Yeah, Tejasvi. So is this the correct one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us take 9 common and this would be 36. So x minus 36 and then x minus 9. So x is minus 36 is 0 and then x minus 9 is 0. So one is 36 and the other one is 9. So
Yes,
if
sir.
so if John has 36 marble, then Jivanti has 9. Or if Jivanti has 36 marble, then John has 9. Right? These are
Yes,
the
sir.
two. Okay, so where should I put the screen, guys?
Okay.
Up to this point. Is this
Yes, sir.
okay? Yeah, so then I will do the next question and then Tejasvi will do the next one.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you guys need me to scroll down the screen, then please tell.
Yes, sir. So scroll down.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Then, yeah, Tejasvi.
Just a minute, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah. So let's say that you go into some market, right? And price of, let's say, one one bottle of juice is, let's say, 40 rupees, right? And then you buy 5 bottles of that. So what would be the total cost? Yeah, should I repeat the question, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
let's say you guys go into the market, right? And then you have some bottle of juice, and that the price of that bottle of juice is, let's say, 20 rupees. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
the price of one bottle juice is 20 rupee, and then you buy 5 bottle of that juice, right? So what is the total cost?
Sir, 100.
Yeah, so 5 into 20 is 100, right?
Yes.
So what you do is that you find the cost of each bottle, and then you multiply with the number of bottles that you have bought, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
yeah, so the next question is about that. Not about that, but on the same line. Yes, Tejasvi, did you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So, okay, yeah. So the next question is, let's say a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. Okay. And the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. So on a particular day, the total cost of production was 750. We would like to find the number of toys product on that day. So first thing is that there is a certain number of toys that are produced in a day. Right. So this is the number of toys. Okay. And the cost of each toy, just like cost of one bottle and the number of bottles. So you guys see the analogy, right? So did you guys find the analogy? So you have the number of toys in a day and the cost of each toy, right? So what are the two unknowns here?
Toys produced.
Right, right. So toys
Cost of
produce
production.
number of toys, right? Let's
Yes,
say
sir.
this is X, and and then you have this cost of each
Production.
each toy, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is why. You see, and if I ask you what would be the total cost, so what would be that? Hmm? Yeah, so what would be the total cost, Tejasvi and Abdullah? You guys
Sir,
just
of
found,
what?
yeah,
Sir, of what?
F, F, F what?
Sir, total cost of what?
Yeah, total cost of toys. Just like the same question. Price of
Sir,
one
total
bot,
toys is
yeah, total cost of toys would be how much?
plus 55.
Plus 50. But just forget about these questions. Just focus on these parts. Just focus on these parts. Okay. So the number of toys are X and cost of each toy is Y. So the number of bottles are 5. Cost of each bottle is 20. Right. So what is the total cost? Yeah. So the number of bottles were 5, right? Let's say 5, and cost of each bottle was 20. So what was the total cost, Abdullah, that you calculated?
Sir, 100.
Right. So how did you calculate it? This way, right?
Sir, 5 into 2.
Right. Similarly, the number of toys are X and cost of each toy is Y. So what would be the total cost?
Sir, x into y.
Yes. So why are you not confident that much? Right. That would be X into
Sir,
Y.
I was not able to understand.
So now can you understand? Is that clear, Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Tejasvi, understood.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we know now that total cost is XY. Okay. And now then read this. So let us focus on to this question now. So the cost of production of each toy, right? Cost of production of each toy is how much? Right.
Sir, 55 minus the number of toys
Yeah.
produced in a day.
Yeah. So first, no, just focus on these parts. So just forget these parts for now, just for now. And let's just focus on this part. So the cost of production of each toy. So that is how much? Y, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is Y. And this is now let us read the rest lines. So now this is how much? This is found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced. So 55 minus the number of toys. So that would be how much? Yeah. So Tejasvi, that would be how much?
55, sir.
Sir, x minus 55.
X
Yeah. X minus 55 or 55 minus X. What would that
55
be?
minus x.
minus X.
Yeah. Right. So this is what they are telling. So the cost of production of each toy, which is Y, and this is equal to 55 minus the number of toys. Right. So this was the information that they had. Right.
Yes, sir.
And on a particular day, the total cost of production was 75. So we already know what is total cost. What is total cost? Total cost is how much, guys? Just look at here.
Sir, x into y.
Right. So this is XY and this is 750. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the goal here? So we have to take care of this guy. Right.
Yes, sir.
So this would
Yes,
be,
sir.
so this
X into
is,
55 minus x.
yeah. So X into 55 minus X, and this is 750. So this is 55x minus x square and 750. So again, we can take these guys in this side. So this would be x square minus 55x and plus of 750. Okay. So A is again how much, Abdullah?
1.
1.
1. Right. And B is minus 55. C is
55.
7.
55.
So we have to,
750.
yeah. So we have to factorize this 750. So 375, and then this is 3, 1, 2, 5, and then this is 5, and then 25. So we have to, okay. So we should stop at here, right?
Yes,
This is 6 into 5, 30, and 25. Whenever we have found the combination, just stop at that one. Okay.
yes, sir.
So is this the combination correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So minus 30 and minus 25. Right, Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
So this would be x square minus, I'm just I didn't go to the final part. I just directly wrote this part, right? So yeah, so 25x plus 750 equals to 0. Okay, so this x is x minus 30 minus 25 x minus 30, right? So x minus 30 is common and we have x minus 25. So x minus 30 equals to 0, x minus 25 equals to 0. So x is 30 and x is 25. Okay. So if
Yes.
if the number of toys are 30, then cost is 25. Or if the number of toys are 25, then cost is 30. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Yeah. So
No, sir.
yeah. So just note down this part and then we will do the next one. So Tejas turn, right?
Yes, sir. So can you scroll down? Yes, sir.
Yeah. Noted, guys. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Abdullah. Oh, yes. So now let us go back where we were, right? So the question that 4.2 or the second question was, and we needed to go back. And now let us come back where we are. Okay. Yeah. So you guys see that this is the what is up? So you guys see that this sixth question is the same.
Yes, sir.
So you guys take this as your homework. Okay. So this question and let me, so you guys just take the screenshot of this question. Okay, Abdullah and Tejasvi, just take the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Done, guys.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
and let me give you two more question and then we will start. Okay. Yeah. So not this one, not this one, this one. Okay, this one. Yeah. So just take one and two. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just take the screenshot of one and please send me those. Right. If you guys will find any problem, then I am here. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So noted, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us do these questions. So find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So this is the simplest question. Okay, Tejasvi turn, right? Why I was I was doing this question. Okay, yeah. So find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So what are the two numbers? Oh, what are the two unknowns?
First is one number
Yeah, one number, let's say.
and the other number.
Yeah, so yeah, these are
Sir, can I take?
yes, yes, Abdullah. Did you say anything?
Sir, can I take?
So you want to? Okay, so you are volunteering. Okay, yeah. So just go ahead. Yeah. So Tejasvi, next question. Yeah. So do you want Abdullah to take this question?
We both can do it together, sir. If he's
So
good.
then how will I ask? Right. So
Okay,
let
sir.
us
Fourth one, sir.
yeah. So you will do the fourth one. Let's take Abdullah this. Yeah, Abdullah. So what is the first information that is given? Right. So what is the
Yes, sir.
yeah? So we should thank
So
Tejasvi
first
that
number,
yeah. So first we should thank Tejasvi that she gave us the permission to take his turn. Right. Yeah. Thank you, Tejasvi.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So yes, Abdullah. What is the first information?
So first number,
No, no. We just know that first number is X, the other number is Y. So first information is what? That is what I'm asking. What does this tell? Sum is what? Sum of these
sir,
number would
x
be
plus y equal to 27.
yes, yes, Abdullah. Yeah, this is what I was asking. Right. And the second information is what?
Sir, x into y equal to 182.
Yes, yes, absolutely correct. Yeah, good, Abdullah. So from here we can calculate the value of y. So this would be 27 minus x. Right. So, and then we
Yes,
can
sir.
put the value of y in here. So this would be x into,
Sir, x into 27 minus x.
right. So this is, and then we can multiply. So 21 7x minus x square is 182. So this would be, and then these guys will goes over here. So x square and minus 27x plus 182. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
A is how much, Abdullah?
Sir,
1. B is how much?
27
Sign.
Minus 27.
Yeah.
minus 27.
Yes. Minus 27. And then C is
182.
182. Now we have to factorize A into C, which is 182. Right. So we will stop
182.
where, yeah. So we will stop whenever we find the, right. So 91 and 7 and 13. Right. So we already know the combination. So what is the combination, Abdullah? Yes,
Sir,
Abdullah.
13 into 14.
Yeah, 13 into 14. Are we correct, Tejasvi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so minus 13 and minus 14. Right, so x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182. I think your turn will come on Sunday, Tejasvi, right?
I will, sir, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah. Uh, Friday.
Sunday,
So,
sir. Wait, sir, Friday is leave, I guess.
yeah, Friday is due, right? Because
Yes, sir.
Friday. So we don't want to disturb you, on your holidays, right? So you need one day to escape from all these hard work, right? So you need to relax on one day, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sign up the next class, sir.
yeah. So in the next class.
Yes,
So
sir.
14 and minus 13, and this is x minus 13 is common and x minus 14 is common. So x minus 13 is 0 and x minus 14 is 0. So x is 13 and x is 14. So these are the two numbers. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you guys just note it down and then we will end the class. Okay, so when is your exam, Abdullah and Tejasvi?
So
When?
my exams
Sir,
will
my
be for
unit 1 is already finished.
Yes, so you guys, you guys talked in the same time, right? So yeah, one by one. Let's say Tejasvi. So what is the when
so
is
my
the
exams are in 1.5 weeks, and the chapters are linear equations in two variables and quadratic equations.
okay? So what I in 1.5 week we have 1.5 week.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I will do is that I will quickly finish this chapter and then I will move to this linear equation two variable. What about you, Abdullah? Yes, Abdullah.
Sir, my unit 1 is finished already.
Ah, okay. So when will the next exam will happen? After the vacation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have it. We have time, so much time, and then in that time we will cover all those syllabus. Okay. So yeah.
Yes.
So for Tejas, we will finish this fourth chapter and then do this third one. Right. So you guys tell me whenever I need to scroll down.
Okay, sir.